global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings Today YouTube channel. We actually have 3 in 1 news to render. One has to do with what is going on in Imo State. Yes, the women in Imo have decided that they will decide to stand with APC. In fact, they will scratch mama proud as you're talking and seeing the videos of the women in different shades, different colors, endorsing party members of APC at different levels. And Nigerians are really wondering, is it that these women are living outside Nigeria, or they're within Nigeria, or they don't understand the whole dynamics? That's for one. In another news, also on the same issue, the deputy of Bola Ahmed Tinubu in his days as the governor decided to speak up. I'm going to allow you to watch a video on that effect as well, where she opened up on a lot of things, APC and also Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So it's good to hear from the horse's man, one who have one-on-one encounter as his deputy, as his deputy during their reign. Then the third one is what is also happening in Imo State, where some insider had actually spoken of how the governor of Imo State have, in a very wonderful manner, have been able to take quite some level of control of Labour Party in Imo State. But before going to the newspaper, kindly subscribe to our channel. Okay, please subscribe to our channel. But let's find out really in a nutshell what happened to the women. Then we'll go to what is happening in LP Labour Party in Imo. Then we'll allow you to watch the video of the former deputy governor of Lagos State during the reign of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Well, the women's wing of the All Progressive Congress APC on Wednesday held a rally in Owerri, the Imo State capital. The APC women in Southeast also endorsed the party's presidential candidate Bola Ahmed Tinubu, as well as other candidates of the party at all levels. The rally took place at Rear Admiral Ndubisi Kanu Square in Owerri. Some of those present at the event include the wife of Imo State Governor Chioma Uzodinma and APC National Woman Leader Betta Edu and others. Of course, in another news, very quickly, we're going to see what happened in Imo State. Well, according to the news, there's crisis in Labour Party Imo State chapter as over 100 party members as at Monday staged a protest at the party secretariat demanding the immediate removal of the state chairman Ambrose Onyekwere. It was gathered that the protesting party members who barricaded the party office as early as 8 a.m. sang solidarity songs while accusing the chairman of high-handedness and compromising party ethics. The Guardian reports the protest attracted over 20 armed security personnel who intervened to ensure peace as well as restore order in the area. The aggrieved party members, most of whom were from Owerri zone of the state, had led by Abombese Council Youth Leader Patrick Inhekoronye, insisted that Onyekwere must go to save the party from imminent collapse. The protesters further accused the chairman of playing the script of the Owerri zone senatorial candidate of the party, Ezimo Onyewuchi, who they alleged was replacing duly elected party officials with his loyalists against the general interest of the party. Speaking to journalists during the protest, the leader, Ihe Koronye, said, "We embarked on this protest because we are aggrieved by the unlawful actions of the party's state chairman, who we believe is on a mission to sell off our party to some political merchants in the state. Why we are asking that Onyekwere be removed is because we have discovered he is a mole in our party. He is an APC man drafted into our party by his paymasters to collapse the party for their selfish interests, as well as sabotage Peter Obi and other candidates' victory in the coming 2023 general elections, and we can't allow that to happen." Similarly, the party's deputy chairman for Owerri Zone, that's Roland Obiyo, blamed Onyekwere of exhibiting actions capable of disintegrating the party in the state. Obiyo, who alleged that the flagrant removal of the elected party officials were without recourse to the party's constitution was causing harm to the party in the state, and I think their agitation is apt in the sense that the state chairman has caused a lot of troubles for Labour Party in Imo. In fact, his inconsistency in administrative processes has caused harm to the party. Therefore, his continued stay might end up robbing us of the credibility we need as a party in the state. Wow, this is quite interesting, judging the fact that they all need to come out very strong on all sides. Okay, but you've seen what is happening in Imo State. Let me allow you watch the video where the moments where the deputy governor during the reign of Bola Ahmed Tinubu in Lagos spoke extensively about 2023, about her former principal, and what APC stands for generally. Let's interact after the video.
Right now, what do you make of what is happening in the APC when an incumbent governor could not get a return ticket?
Well, I think it's absolutely disgraceful what has happened in APC, because you see, it would seem that the whole idea in APC is that everybody should be serving one man, and if you are not ready to serve that one man, then you are out, so to speak, and that one man is the person who decides who is who, and everybody has to worship him, everybody has to bring dues to him, and it's not a political party, it's more like a mafia organization.
You were very close to him before now. Has he always been like that?
Very close to who?
The former governor.
Which former governor?
The president you were referring to.
Well, I was never very close to him. Yes, we were together in the Senate. We were together. We fought for the June 12, restoration of June 12, and I was his deputy. But certainly, if the way he treated me when I was his deputy governor was the way you treat somebody who's very close to you, then I'm sorry. I think it leaves much, much, much to be desired.
Do you think the PDP stand a chance in this election?
Yes, I do.
Really?
Because I believe everybody's fed up with APC. What have they done for the people? They have impoverished the people. They have driven businesses away to other countries. So what is the benefit to the other ordinary person? People are starving. Very few people can even afford 1 square meal a day in Nigeria today.
Because a lot of people, a lot of people in Lagos have this feeling that APC is synonymous to Lagos, and Lagos is synonymous to the APC.
APC is not synonymous to Lagos, and Lagos cannot be synonymous to APC. Just because one person thinks that they have Lagos State in their pocket does not mean to say that APC is synonymous to APC.